In this quick video, we are testing the popular Realme C35 in two areas of build quality, a decent budget device with a great design. Apart from poor quality glass protection, Realme mostly has an awesome track record in terms of build quality and water resistance. But this season has seen a terrible start with the massive failure of Realme 9 Pro, Redmi Note 11 and the Note 11 Pro Plus. For a device costing just 12k, the slim Realme C35 actually looks good. Premium clean design. The glowing green variant just adds a different flavor to the device. A bit of weird creaking noises during my usual trial bend. Whether that's an issue or not, we'll see in the next video. The weight though is very comfortable at 189 grams, much less than the 200 grams weight threshold. The selfie camera has an 8 megapixel f2.0 wide angle lens. On the main camera unit, the primary lens has a 50 megapixel f1.8 CMOS sensor, 2 megapixels f2.4 macro lens and a tiny 0.3 megapixels f2.8 mono lens. The official website and other trustworthy sources does not say anything about the type of glass protection used on the Realme C35. This unfortunately adds to a lack of confidence on the quality of the tempered glass protection. On top of that, Realme anyways has a track record of consistently cost cutting in the scratch resistance area, mostly failing the blade abuse, unlike high quality glass protection such as Corning. It won't be a surprise at all if we see a fail once again. Nothing surprising that the Realme C35 also doesn't survive the blade as expected and fails the scratch test. In the first round of the drop test, 2 drops from pocket height. Then after, 4 height drops in the second round. First pocket drop, backside facing down. Everything appears to be fine after the 2 pocket drops. No damages or shatter on the glass and plastic edges. Next, in the second round, first high drop on the bottom side plastic edge. We have seen a lot of dents and tiny cracks on many devices including Realme, but the C35 survives this. Next, second high drop from top side. Next, third high drop from the camera unit and backside. Fortunately, the C35 seems to have survived the third high drop even after that loud banging noise. Now for the moment of truth you have been waiting for, the finale display side high drop. "2022 has been a season of bad luck. This year has seen fails such as the Redmi Note 11 series and even the Realme 9 Pro failing in all tests. The Realme C35 has also fallen under the spell of misfortune, failing the drop test with a shattered and broken display due to its glass protection quality and the design not being drop friendly. Realme C35 users are strongly advised to use protection and buy insurance.